Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times this week and definitely want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend. And before anything else, I don't want to come across like what I'm about to talk about is some sort of like brilliant discovery on my part, or that I have some sort of, magical and mystical skills. No, nothing like that. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to have taken notice of this. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have going on with this pattern that has taken shape. So over the past couple of days, we have the first part of the pattern, which is the resistance trend line right here. And that's going to be an area that a whole lot of people are going to be watching and wondering about, can the price break above that trend line? The next part of this pattern, so let's get this into play here, known as the support line. So just to have that represent support, let's get that changed to green. So there we go. That's what we have. And, you're going to have all, different opinions on the pattern. Some people would say, well, that's a bull pennant, to which I would agree. Some would, no, that's just a symmetrical triangle, to which I would agree. Or people, no, that's a wedge pattern. Yeah, I agree too. Don't let the name of the pattern trip you up too much. The idea here, the story behind the pattern is that, the bears are making progress. How so? Well, the bears keep pressing these highs lower and lower. But on the flip side, the bulls are also making progress because these lows keep getting higher and higher. And it becomes one of these situations where, well, something's got to give. Either the bulls are going to win out with a break to the upside, or the bears are going to win out with a break to the downside. And that's going to be a pattern that a whole lot of people are watching going into next week. So keep a close eye on that. And, that's really going to be the dynamic that most people have taken notice of. And like I said, call those self-fulfilling prophecies, whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have going on here. So let's see how this all plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.